Jamaican traditional Easter festive cooking, and this is my escovitch sauce and my fish. And this was my settings for Easter. I had my homemade bun, but let's get into that. Continue watching, guys. Okay, here's a run through of my ingredients for my escovitch sauce or my pickle. We have some carrot, onion, chocho. We have bell pepper, garlic, hot pepper, and we're going to cut these according to your liking. I'm going to use my crinkle cutter as you see on the cutting board there. And yes, we're going to need some thyme. And I'm going to use some bay leaf, clove, and a bit of pimento seed. So first step, we wash all our ingredients, peel and prepped, and now it's time to cut. And if you don't have this crinkle cutter, totally optional, you can use your regular knife, but I'm using this. So welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, welcome as well. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for future uploads and to get to know me a bit more. So if you love what you've seen so far, guys, continue watching and I'll catch you further on in the video. Okay, now that we have prepped all our veggies for the escovitch sauce, now we're just going to heat up a bit of oil, add all our veggies to the pot, and allow this to just simmer for 2 minutes. Then we add our vinegar, a bit of salt. We're going to add our thyme, our bay leaf, clove leaf, and our pimento seed. And to counteract the acidity from the vinegar, we're going to put a tips of sugar. So just continue watching, guys, and here is my variety of fish I'm using. We have some small jockfish. In Curacao they call it masbango, and we have some snapper as well. These are all cleaned, seasoned, and now we're frying them. We add all to the pot, allowed to eat up. We're going to fry these on both sides until they are crispy and golden brown. So continue watching, and if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so at this moment. And please drop me a comment at the end. Tell me what's your favorite thing to prepare during the Easter holiday. This is my Easter look. I have some festival, my Escovitch fish, my homemade bun, moist guys. I have so many videos up. I think I have 2 videos already of my Easter bun, so I didn't worry to make it this year, or maybe I'll still do it. That's my Escovitch sauce. I already buckled up, or my pickle, and my cheddar cheese. Tasties. Cheddar cheese is a small one, and this is my homemade bun. Yes, getting good feedback on my bun. Yes. So this is my Easter look, guys. So here we've come to the end of another video, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and do enjoy the Easter holidays with your loved ones. And remember, Christ is the reason for the season. He has been risen. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.